Interested in a 2010 Holden Commodore? You can be accelerating down the highway in this excellent vehicle. Get there fast, it's power-packed, that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, satellite navigation, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. The premium wheels add a stylish touch. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.